If you want Base44 to give you cleaner, more useful results, the key is to prompt it with structure instead of dumping everything into one message. In this video, I'll show you how to prompt Base44 using a simple three-part structure that covers function, layout, and visual style, while starting with the core features first instead of trying to include everything at once. And if you ever get stuck, I'll also show you when to use plan mode to help structure your idea. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Base44 and start with the most important part, the function. This means telling Base44 what the tool, page, app, or feature should actually do. Keep this part focused and direct. For example, instead of saying build everything, start with the core actions only. Ask for the main purpose first, like sign in, create, save, search, upload, or display. The goal here is to define the job before talking about design or extra features. This helps Base44 understand the foundation of your idea. Next, move on to the layout. Once the core function is clear, tell Base44 how you want the content arranged. You can describe where the main button should go, what should appear at the top, what should be in the sidebar, or how sections should be grouped. This is where you shape the structure of the page or app. If you want it simple, say that. If you want it broken into cards, panels, tabs, or columns, say that too. The more specific you are about layout, the easier it is for Base44 to build something that matches your vision. After that, add the visual style. This is where you define the look and feel. You can mention clean, modern, minimal, bold, professional, playful, dark mode, light mode, rounded corners, strong contrast, or a specific brand style. Visual style should come after function and layout, not before, because design works best when the structure is already clear. If you lead with style too early, the result can look nice but feel incomplete. So always lock in what it does first, then how it's arranged, and then how it looks. Now here's the most important tip. Start with core features rather than everything at once. A lot of people try to include every idea in the first prompt, and that usually makes the output messy or unfocused. Instead, build in layers. Begin with the minimum version of the idea. Get the main workflow right, then add extra features later, one at a time. This makes your prompts easier to control and your results much better. If your idea feels too complicated, use plan mode. Plan mode is helpful when you need Base44 to help organize your thoughts before building. Use it when you have a rough concept, but you're not sure about the best structure. In plan mode, you can ask Base44 to help break the idea into sections, identify the core features, and suggest a cleaner layout before generating the final build. It's a great way to reduce confusion and make your prompt more effective. A simple way to remember this is function first, layout second, visual style third. That three-part structure keeps your prompt focused and much easier for Base44 to understand. Then, if needed, use plan mode to refine the idea before you commit to the full build. That combination gives you a much better chance of getting a result that actually matches what you want. So, when you prompt Base44, don't explain everything at once. Start small, build in layers, and keep the structure simple. Define the core features, describe the layout, then finish with the visual style. And if the idea needs more clarity, switch to plan mode and let it help you organize the prompt. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Base44 tutorials, prompt tips, and no fluff software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.